Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable the caller ID feature of Truecaller on your iPhone in 2025. So step 1, go to your App Store and download first the updated Truecaller app. Step 2, open your Truecaller app and log in using your mobile number. You should grant all permissions requested, especially the contacts and call access. Step 3, go to your iPhone settings and then the call blocking and identification. Step 4, after you tap this section, you should turn on the toggle switch for Truecaller to allow it to identify unknown callers. Step 5, go back to your Truecaller app and tap the Premium or Caller ID and make sure that Live Caller ID is activated. Take note that iPhones require manual steps due to Apple's restrictions, so the app may prompt you to use Siri shortcuts. Step 6, follow the Siri shortcut setup if prompted, and use the trigger phrase like "Hey Siri, search Truecaller" to identify unknown calls live. And now, Truecaller will identify spam or unknown callers right on your iPhone screen. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.